Alright guys, today we're going to be installing these ISR Performance engine mounts along with these ISR Performance power steering rack lines. Let's go do that right now. Alright, so the fuse boxes are in, if you guys just saw that clip. This one in, that one in. Got the whole harness running under the radiator support, just like it does stock. Went ahead and threw on the overflow tank. There's just 2 bolts, one there, and the other one up there. This right here is a Phase 2 Motorsports overflow tank for the 240. And I do not care what engine you have, SR, RB, 2J, LS. This is a must on any 240. The stock ones crack all the time. I've seen people patch them up. It looks nasty. Look at this thing, looks beautiful. $80 right there. Good investment. Maybe you can get it for $60 if you get it on sale. Must do a mod on a 240. So the fuse boxes are in. Overflow tank is in. Up next we're going to do the engine mounts. And we're going to do those rack lines back there. Alright guys, I'm under the car right now. This is the bolt right here for the motor mount. It's going to be a 14. Pretty tough spot to get to. I went ahead and broke it loose already. Wear glasses when you're down here. So much shit will fall into your eyes. It just happened to me. It's right here next to the rack. This is a rack right here. Right there, little 14. Break it loose. Kind of annoying position, but I got it loose, so let's go ahead and take it off now. Alright, so I just took off the engine mounts. Man, these things are kind of a pain in the ass to take off. Kind of weird angles to get to them, but I got them off. They're right here. These are the stock ones. As you can see, this one's split in half. This one's still good, but I'm going to switch them for those ISR ones. So let's go grab them. Got my ISR mount right here, polyurethane mount. Got that one on. About to put the other one on. And I'm not going to tighten these down yet. They're just kind of on there just to be there. because I'm going to wait to drop the engine and tighten everything up. But it's just one bolt that goes through it. Let's do that. Alright, so there we go, the engine mounts are on. Like I said, it's not tightened down yet. I'm going to wait for the engine to drop in to tighten them down. So we did the fuse boxes, the overflow. I went ahead and did that wiper motor up there along with the trim that goes on top. Next, we're going to do these rack lines right here that are all bent. I'm also going to do the power steering lines, these right here, that run all along. And I'm going to show you guys how to tuck these brake lines right here. Show you guys what video I saw, and we're going to try them out, see if it works out for us. Alright, I apologize for not showing this, but I went ahead and ran the harness through the firewall. All it is, honestly, is just running the end with the ECU plug on it through this hole right here. Comes out up underneath the dash. It's down here. All you gotta do is run this through the firewall. You got your harness in. I didn't show it. It was just me by myself. It's kind of a struggle if you do it by yourself. You're better off having someone inside, someone feeding it and someone pulling it through the inside, but I got it done, so the harness is in. Got it all right here. Got it all labeled. Just gonna leave it off to the side for now while we do the rack lines.
What's ethanol?
Alcohol. Yeah, I'm filming that, you know.
Oh.
Alright guys, I got my ISR lines right here. I'm about to install them. Take these off. I already went ahead and loosened them. Yeah, long thread. What are you laughing at? There's one. I'm gonna do this one. There you go. Look at that crunchy line. Throw it away. And install these now. Alright, so the ISR kit comes with these little adapters to AND fittings. They're gonna go right where the stock lines would go. And then the ISR lines will go in there. So 1. Oh man. 2, 3. Yeah, 4 under here. Which I should probably tighten this one first. Get your lines. Long one over here. To this one. And the little one here. To right here. Something like that. Just gonna go ahead and tighten them down now. Alright, so there we go. The lines are all tightened down. Got a nice flex to them. Way better than those hard lines. No way these will get kinked. Good. Alright guys, so there you have it. Just a quick little video today, just getting everything ready. The engine's pretty much done. Just need a power steering pump. Also got to buy fuel injectors and the tune and a blow-off valve. We still got to connect the tranny, but we're getting there almost. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, give it a like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, spread the word out there, guys. Stick around. Those turbo noises are coming soon. I'm getting excited. I don't know when it'll be done, but it's almost there. We still got to put the interior back together. But thank you guys.